Hello again. Today I have a 2015, I believe, Jeep 3.6 engine. This is for the Jeep, whatever it is, a 3.6 engine. I have a code P0301 and P219a. So what this code is: cylinder one misfiring. So I checked the spark and the coil, and it was actually good, but I switched him. This one was that one, the cylinder one. Where's the other cylinder? I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this is 3. So I switched it with this one, but it's still showing the cylinder one is misfire. So the other code, which is the P219a, that's what told me the problem with the 301 code. It was the cylinder one fuel injector. So when I checked it, let me show you. This is the old one here. I don't know if I can do this. Use one hand. Yeah. The reading is crazy. Like now it's 28.5, and before it was 44. That's crazy. That should give you like 12.9, something like this. 13, 14 out. But 40 and 30 and stuff like this is sound like crazy. Let me show you the new one here. I'm testing. Yeah, 12.5. That's what it should give you, and it's steady like this. So I'm making this video because of this code. Like you see on here, it shows like oxygen sensor. I don't know what is that, but actually it was not. When I checked this one right away, I went to the fuel injector after I switched this ignition coil and spark plug, and the problem still exists, car shaking, and the coil is still bending. Then I checked the fuel injector, and this is the problem right there. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.